back to the Bead Flora book Bead Along. The goal is to make this summer wildflowers arrangement. We are ready to dive into project number 2, Echinacea. Today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial preview for this project. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, French beaded flower designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to the French beading community. If you want to learn this bead and wire art form, check out the playlist. I have a video for every question you might have. Now let's get into the French beaded Echinacea. You can still get the kit on my website if you would like to use the exact beads I'm using. You can also use your own materials. I'm putting the list of materials in the description for the whole arrangement. Altogether, there'll be 5 lessons. Let's take a closer look at what we'll be working on next week. I'll upload the first lesson for the petals on Tuesday. I'll put all the links in the description for the kit and the book. And also join me in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to join our community. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on Tuesday for lesson 1. Bye!